Hello everyone, this is Doug Thompson with Orion Realty, and I want to introduce you to my property at 7137 Orion Bands Street in Sky Point. This is a virtual open house, and a few features the property has to offer is that downstairs is a large great room, kitchen with 5-burner cooktop, separate oven, granite countertops, large island, stainless steel appliances. It also has a full bed and bath downstairs. The backyard has been professionally designed to include a covered patio, pavers, and desert landscaping. Upstairs features 2 large master bedrooms, both with private bath, walk-in closets, ceiling fans. In addition, we have a loft, additional half bath, upstairs laundry, washer and dryer included. In total, the house is just under 2,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, and a loft. Once again, all the high-end stainless steel appliances remain. The home features wood-like floors, a bedroom and bath downstairs, window coverings throughout, ceiling fans in all bedrooms and living room. This home is located in the Northwest Valley, gated community, and a community pool. Any questions, please feel free to call me.